Hey y'all, na Asharifia all in one this. Come make we cook and chop. On the menu today, we have chofi, turkey tail. This chofi is very special. We are going to cook it, fry it, and bake it. Trying our best to get it on the healthy side. This is my mom's special recipe. I'm gonna try my best to get it the way that she has taught me. So let's get started. We have our turkey tail, chofi, in whole. We have our seasoning, all peppers seasoning, salt, shrimp cube, curry powder, and pepper. We have our chili crushed pepper, tomato paste, a small piece of onion, small piece of ginger. So we are gonna go ahead and steam our chofi with our all pepper seasoning, ginger and onion, adding a little water, to bring it up to a boil. Now that it's cooked, we are going to cut it into 4 pieces. Now, another thing that you need to know about the chofi is that you will get some of the feathers still stuck in there. It's not easy to take out. It becomes easy to take out once the chofi is cooked. So just bear in mind. We are gonna go ahead and start frying. Now, the chofi produces a lot of oil, so you don't want to start off with a lot of oil. Just like maybe half a cup to start. As the frying goes on, you will notice the oil increase in volume. Now, I'm just turning the chofi to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Leaving it for it to brown on just one side before I start turning it. I'm just flipping it over. Now, we are not going to fry this for a very long time because we are going to put it in the oven. And we don't want to dry it out so much that it becomes gummy once it comes out the oven. So we'll leave a little moist in here for now. Our chofi is almost ready to come out the oil. And this is just what we are looking for. I'm taking them out now. So I can start prepping for the next step. The next step is the fun part. We are going to make a base. Some pepper to sprinkle on. Toss it around a couple times. This looks good. Now you can serve this just like this, and it will be just perfect. Now to make our base, we are going to use the stock from the CHOFI, curry powder, tomato paste, and the ground pepper. To start it off, I just took 2 teaspoons of the oil from my stock. I'm just frying up my tomato paste. Now I'm going to gradually add my CHOFI stock. I'm going to add my curry powder and ground pepper. I'm not going to put my salt in at this time because the stock has salt, so I'll wait to the end to salt to taste. Just like so. A little salt. Now we are not gonna try to thicken up the sauce because we want it loose to lightly coat our CHOFI. Now I'm going to blend the crushed chili peppers with the shrimp cube. The final stage. This can make or break your CHOFI. Now I did not give my chili peppers a fine blend because I like some texture while I eat my CHOFI. But you can go ahead and finely blend it if you wish. I'm just gradually adding my sauce to my CHOFI because I don't want a heavy coat. I just want enough just so the pepper can stick to the CHOFI. Make sure it's well coated. Sprinkle some of the crushed peppers on and toss it around. I'm going to put mine on a baking sheet. And sprinkle more of the crushed pepper. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes on 350. And I'll be right back. There you go. This is what it's supposed to look like. But if you want it to be more dry, you can leave it in for a bit more. They look beautiful. Now with this, you can eat it with fried yams, kiliwili, kenke, bangkung, jollof, anguamo, whatever you choose. Or you can just have it by itself. This mouth-watering CHOFI is the talk the head at every party. Every event that my mom made it to, it was a hit. They talked and talked about it. People requested it endlessly. So give it a try, and I promise you, you will love it because it looks so delicious, yummy. We finished cocoa, come make we chop. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and tap that bell for all notifications. Bye.